Hello everybody, this is Ann from Simply Well. This is Ann's kitchen. My husband Tom, that's him. And together we're going to make something that we're just throwing together for extra zucchini that we have. And here we go. I'll let Tom take it away. Take it away.
Alright, we're going to make some zucchini steaks. I'm just using some leftover big zucchini that probably stayed on the vine too long, but it works well for the steaks. And we have the what we have here is some corn chips that we crunched up. Basically, what you do is you take an old bag of chips or whatever you have. Usually you get to the bottom end of it or stuff like that, and then you just take it and you can actually take the zucchini and roll that over the chips that are in the bag, and it pulverizes them and makes them into a powder. So what we're going to do is take this. We have some sour cream that we made earlier that has some dill and some stuff in there. We're going to put that on the plate there for dipping. And basically just cut these things into about, I don't know, probably cut them about 3/4 of an inch, for steaks, something like that. Cut 4 of them up. You take those and you take them and get a little the mix on it, and just dip them in your chips like that. It kind of coats them like that. So that's like that. You just put them down there. We can try them both different ways. One here, we're going to put a little garlic pepper in there. Stir that up a little bit. Take a little spoon. Stir those up with the garlic pepper that's in there. Same thing. Dip them. All you're doing is getting them moisture so they can hold the chips. Like that. There's our oven getting ready to cook. Like that. And we'll throw a little nutritional yeast on another one. And we'll get a little powder on there. Stir that up. So you can pretty much make any kind of variety of flavoring that you want for them. And just as you have is you got more zucchini than you need, and you don't pick it as often, so then you have these nice little steaks. And uses up your old chips, uses up your zucchini. So that's 4. We got enough there probably to make 2 more. Put those in there like this again. One last one. Pretty simple meal here. So we made use of the leftover tortillas. We made use of probably 3/4 of an old chunk of zucchini that we probably would not have known what to do with it. And all we had to do was make some sauce. So we'll put them in the oven. I think we got 400. And we're going to put them in there for 25 minutes. And I'll hit the buttons that it's 25 minutes. Voila!
Sour cream kind of sauce, sour cream sauce, and it's going to have pickles. So these are the ingredients.
Pickles? Of course, those are homemade pickles.
So now we're just going to make the sour cream, and
Goes all in here.
to make the sour cream, we're just going to put a box of extra firm silken tofu. Unfortunately, we don't have the extra firm silken tofu, so we're just going to use the silken tofu. So that was kind of an oops. There's a scissors if you want to use it.
Scissors.
Yeah.
Where's the scissors?
It's in the scissors drawer where it goes. This is in the scissors department of the house.
Organization is not my big key. Okay, dump it in there. Dumped.
Okay.
Then what?
Here's the recipe right there.
1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So, cutting the lemon, putting it in the juicer, and squeeze out 1 tablespoon.
Or you can do the juice of 1 lemon.
Juice of 1 lemon. That's a half a lemon, that's 1 tablespoon.
Okay.
Takes care of that. Then what? Oh, I'm looking at 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar. Shake it. Get the mother out of there. Place all ingredients in blender, process until mixture is smooth and creamy, till ready to serve. Still don't know what's happening. Okay.
Alright, and now we're going to put all the other ingredients together. We'll use that red bowl over there, and we're going to grate a pickle. How is it?
Sour cream doesn't taste much. It's just lovely. Sour, creamy-ish. Where's it going?
Okay, there's a red bowl right there, yep, and everything else goes in there. So,
This gets dumped in.
yep.
That later.
Grate the pickle,
Great.
add some garlic and some dill. Any amounts you want of each.
Grating the pickle. Pickle.
Alright, what else are we doing?
I'm going to put some garlic in here. Put a random sampling of probably about a tablespoonful. And then I'm going to put some dill in here, which would be probably, that would be about a teaspoonful. Might be too much dill, but it's good. And we're going to stir it up, right?
Yep.
It's got some dill pickle, it's got some dill and garlic. Nice and creamy. I think it'll work just fine.
Good way.
Okay, we're going to take it out of the oven. And help me there, wifey.
Sure. Let's see how they look. How are they?
Smells good.
Are they done?
Here.
No, are they?
Yep.
Okay, sure. All right, good. You can see that.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Here's your tool.
Cool.
So they're a little brown on the top. They're dry on the top. You can, I can't really tell if this how the zucchini is yet. The texture is yet.
Other side is good.
They could probably even go in for a little more. But we're gonna check them like this. And then we're gonna put some salsa on top because zucchini and salsa just are a great combination. You've got this hot and it's crusty on the outside, it's crisp on the outside, and then you've got the coolness of the salsa, whatever kind you like, and it's just our lunch. It's just our lunch or our dinner. You know, it didn't take long in the oven. How long was it in there?
25 minutes.
Was it in 25 minutes?
Yep.
Okay, 25 minutes.
And if you don't want to use salsa, you can use marinara sauce.
Marinara.
With anything tomatoey on top of the zucchini tastes really good.
Yeah, or whatever you like of choice. So let's go. Let's eat it.
Okay.
The fork. Thank you. Fork me. All right. So I don't know if you could see this.
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see that. I'm gonna go up close. Can you see that? It's steaming. It's
Hot.
It's hot, but not too hot actually.
No.
So take a bite. Tell me what you think.
Good.
I hear it kind of crunch. So it's not too soft, is it?
No.
And you can actually cut it just with a fork. And we've had these before. It's just been a while.
So
because
if you wanted to cook it a little bit longer, you could. But
okay.
it's, you know, in 25 minutes, it's cooked all the way through. It's fine. You cook it longer, it would just get softer.
Mmm.
Very good.
Zucchini time. Enjoy.
Keep going.